This is my 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. I'm going to swap out this original dash with this Denali dash. Step 1, go to gm-trucks.com and read about the topic Denali cluster in SLT. Do not install an unprogrammed cluster into your vehicle. It'll be a waste of money and it will not work. I've posted a link to this page in the video description, but please read the whole topic and have a good understanding of how to order and the do's and don'ts. Next, search for whiteautoandmedia.com. Click on full-size truck SUV, instrument cluster, product details, and then ask a question about this product. Type your message with your VIN and the part number you think is going to go with your vehicle before you order it. After confirmation that you have the right part number, purchase the cluster, then on the website, pay for the programming, and then ship it in insured to White Auto and Media Services.
All right, first thing I'm going to do is pop off the instrument cluster hood. Just firmly push up on either side. Careful not to launch it into your windshield. It's just held on by these little push clips. Next, I've got to pull this trim plate that kind of surrounds the dashboard, and there are 3 7mm screws. All right, with all 3 removed, just kind of pop the dash towards you, and then this little rubber boot will kind of pull over the steering column adjustment, and then just kind of work the cover up and off of there. This panel has these little metal push-in clips on it, and it'll scratch that dash very easily, so be careful. All right, next up there are 4 more 7mm screws holding the instrument cluster on. I'm going to start with these top 2. And the other 2 are on either side of the bottom of the instrument cluster. Just release the adjustment to get to the first one, and the other one's right here. With those 4 screws removed, the dash will just kind of pop on out of there and just rest it on top to unplug the wiring. This plug comes apart by pushing on the middle of it and then flipping a cam lever back. Here's a close-up of it. You can kind of push this little lock down and then flip that black lever up, and you'll hear it snap down to confirm that it's locked. This new instrument cluster is meant for a Yukon, and it has an extra USB port in the back of it. I'm assuming that's for heads-up display or collision avoidance. I have neither, but heads-up display is a mod that can be done on this upgrade. Slide in the plug. Make sure it's in there nice and tight as the cam rotates back. And listen for that snap, confirming that it's been locked down. Now just rotate it back down into place. And install it the reverse of removal. All right, let's give it a try. Awesome. One thing to mention about ordering is when you send this in to get it reprogrammed and VIN to your vehicle, make sure you let them know if you've got a 3/4 ton or 1 ton, which may or may not have TPMS. 1 tons won't. Additionally, the Yukons will have electric power steering. 1/2 tons might. 3/4 tons and 1 tons definitely will not. So make sure you mention what type of vehicle it's going into and you're clear about that. Put the tow mode on here. A couple extra gauges pop up. Tow mode. That's kind of cool. I think I prefer this one. It's got a large speedometer. Very cool. All right, well that's it. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I've got more upgrade videos coming soon, and thanks for watching.